All right, so my honey wants me to put this right in the shower right here. So I have to put this thing right like that. And then I think I might put it right even there so I can get it straight. So if I use that line as a, to measure it so it's not crooked, you follow me? And I want to have it a little bit higher than the shower so it doesn't get wet. So I think I'm just going to do it just like that. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, so what I've got to do is I've got to peel this sticky stuff off the back, right? And I got to put it, oh shoot, shit. And then I'm just going to slide it up there and stick it on there just like that. So here we go. Just want to get it, I want to get it nice and straight. I think I can do it just like that. I think I did a pretty good job. It seems to be on there. Wow. That seems to be pretty straight. Okay, now we slide this on the back right there. So now I just got to go like this. And it's on. Yeah, done. I don't know if I got it straight or not. I think it's good. I think that's going to work. Now, turn it on. I go press this for 2 seconds. Comes on. I take my hand, wave it in front of it. That opens that up. Grab my toothbrushes. And I kind of cleaned it out a little bit like that, And then I'm just going to set it up in there. Just like that, right? And I'm going to go like this. And now we're just going to let it do its thing. So what it's doing right now, that's ultraviolet light. And then it turns on a fan. And the fan, believe it or not, dries it. And then every 3 hours it does this again. A little bit shorter time period. But you can see it counting down. You see that? It dries it for 100 seconds. I may speed this part up. 33. All right, let's see. 25, 24, 23. You can hear it. And we're there. Should stop now. Bam. And there it is. So now every 3 hours it'll come back on and do that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.